Hey guys, it's Drop the Controller Gaming. So today we're going to do an unboxing video of this box. So we're going to be using a pen to open this box. So let's just open it. Oh wow. There's a lot of tape. Alright, this freaking tape. Alright, this box is open now, so let's see what's inside it. Alright, Red Dead Redemption. Mass 3 effect. I don't know. Call of Duty 4 Modern Warfare. And GTA 4. Halo 4. That's gonna be a good game. Ooh, and Borderlands. Borderlands 2. Alright, so alright, that's cool. So, I forgot to show you. Alright, here comes the pen again. Actually, let's just take out this box. Whoa. Happy birthday, Brian. Alright, cool. So, here's the Xbox. So, let's open it. I'm sorry I'm not talking as much. I'm kind of tired. I stayed up late editing and stuff. Oh, I broke the pen. Alright, let's use another pen to open it. See if this one doesn't break on me too. Open one side and open the other. And then just go crazy on it. Alright. Here it goes. Connections. Connection. Controller, but it's supposed to be white, isn't it? Because I got a white Xbox, so I don't know how this works. Alright, another connection, which is the power unit. Instructions, but who needs this? This thing. And here it is, the Xbox, the main event of this video. So I just want to say thank you for watching, and oh wait, one more thing. I'm not maybe going to be doing any more unboxing videos because this is kind of the only box I get. So yeah, this was Drop the Controller Gaming, and peace.